Hello, my name is Stacey Watson from Embrace Spinal Flow, and I have a clinic up in Gympie, Queensland. I also run women's retreats from my clinic, which are fabulous. I'm going to talk about some healing stories that I have with children. I have had lots of children coming through my clinic as a past primary school teacher. I have access to lots of children. So one of the healing stories I have to share is about a 5-month-old baby, Nash, who came to me with his mum, who was struggling with postpartum depression and anxiety. And not only has she had success in her healing, but little Nash had really great results, particularly with his constipation. And that was really fabulous to see. I've had a lot of school-age children come to see me at Embrace, particularly around their confidence and anxiety in school. I had a neurodivergent girl come to see me, and after one session, her communication just was through the roof. Her parents could not believe how much she was opening up and talking. I also had another girl who's a gymnast who had a hip injury. She had no flow through her pelvis, and she had a really big competition coming up. So she came to see me for 2 intensive sessions leading up to her competition, and she had great results from those sessions.